Hello everyone, good morning or good afternoon. Since today, Monday and Tuesday is our asynchronous class, then I will show to you or share to you a video about about our lesson for this morning or the afternoon. So last meeting, we talked about the relationship of 3D figures. So now we discuss about the volumes of a solid figures. So what is talk about the volume? So volume is the amount of space measured in cubic units that an object or substance occupies. So, ba napansin ninyo kato akong gi-play nga video sa inyo, sa isa ka layer, pila ka cubic meter ang na-occupy. So, since ang isa ka cubic units, nag-ano siya og equivalent siya og 1 centimeter, so may kag volume is amount ang space nga na-occupy ana nga object or figure. So, man siya ang volume. Here's the example. Prism. So prism is solid figures with two congruent faces that are contained in parallel planes, and its other faces are parallelograms. So as you can see here, na siya triangular, okay, triangular prism. Another prism. Ano siya mga prism. Sorry. Okay. So, muna siya ang example sa prism. How to get the volume of a prism? So, okay. The base, which is ang base, muna siya. Base, which is ang top or a bottom, mo siya base. Then, ang height, which is ang height aning isa ka figure, mo siya height. Then, the volume of a prism is equals to base times height. So, as you can see, base times height. So, B is means base, then height means h means height. So here's the example, the rectangular prism. Since the formula is base times height, naman siya. Base times, pwede din natin use another, they call this the formula, other formula of this figure. Okay, volume is equals to length times width. Okay, pwede ito gamitin. Times height. So, as you can see, length is equivalent to 12 inches. Width is 3.5 inches. Then, length is 6 inches. So, pwede ito. Convert since nakuha na nato ang formula, nakuha na tong formula. Next process is to convert into numbers. Base, which is base, ito silang dalawa. Base tawag din ito. Si length and si width. Base na siya since na siya sa bottom. Then, okay, convert into numbers. So, 6 times 3.5 times 12. So, what's the next process? What operation you can use? Since na-arrange na siya, nahanay na siya, na-convert na ninyo siya into numbers, next process to convert, are you done to convert into numbers? The next process is to operation na gamiton, which is multiply. See, i-multiply lang si 6 times 3.5 times 12 is equals to volume of the rectangular prism is equals to 252 inches cube. So, mo ni siya ang formula, ang result ni volume of rectangular prism. Example, which is cylinder. So, when we talk about cylinder, a solid figure bounded by a closed cylindrical faces or lateral faces and two parallel planes bases. So, as you can see here, kani siya, kani yung body, kani lawas niya mo, siya ang lateral faces. Then, kaning diri nga side sa ubos, mo ni siya ang, which is bases or parallel planes. Diri pod mo ni siya base, base ni siya. Kani nasa ubos, which is base pod ni siya. Then, mo ni ang lateral faces. Okay? How to get the volume of a cylinder? Okay, the formula of the cylinder is volume is equals to pi radius squared and height. So, R is means radius, then H is means height. Then radius, okay, radius mo ni siya, radius ni siya. If kung whole siya, half lang man siya. So radius, if kung whole siya, mo ni ginatawag nga diameter. Diameter, if whole, if kung half lang, is mo na siya ang radius. So next, okay, height also. Kita ninyo cylinder na siya base po siya. Na siya base or radius. Then, so example, here's the example. Okay. Ang radius niya is 18 centimeter, then the height is 7.5 centimeter. So the formula is volume is equals to pi radius squared times height. So convert into numbers. Pi, which is 3.14, radius, which is 8 centimeter, then copy the squared, then height is equivalent to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so ang sa inyo pansin, na-convert ninyo siya into number since na may cube sa buhaton. I-times si 18 by itself, times by itself, which is 18 times 18. Okay, diba? Times 18. So, copy also 3.14. So, 18 times 18 is equals to 324 centimeter cube. Okay, cube na siya. Then 7.5 centimeters. So, what's the next process? Or next nabuhaton. Okay? Since na-convert na niya siya, nahanay na siya, arrange na siya, next step is usang operation gamiton. So, ang operation natong gamiton, which is multiply. So, i-multiply 3.14 times 324 times 7.5 centimeter is equals to volume of the cylinder is equals to 7,630.2 centimeter cube. Okay, there. Answer. Ano siya? So, okay, sorry for that. Next example is a pyramid. Pyramid is a solid figure having only one base. The other faces are called the lateral faces, and they meet to form a lateral edges. The common vertex of the lateral faces is the vertex of the pyramid. So as you can see here, pyramid lang po siya. Pyramid. Here, pyramid. Masing gibali-bali siya, pyramid lang po siya. Here, pyramid. So, kita ninyo na siya edges, lateral faces. How to get the volume of a pyramid? Okay, volume of a pyramid. So, volume is equals to 1/3 base and height. B means the area of the base, then H is the height. Okay, lagi po yung height sa pyramid. Dara, which is mo siya ang height. Ang height niya. Then, base is nasa ubos. So, example, nasa base, duha ka buok, which is 3 meter, then 12 meters, then the height is 15 meters. So, the formula is volume, ito yung formula ni volume of is pyramid. Volume is equals to 1/3 base and height. So, copy the 1/3 and convert siya into numbers. Base, which is 12 meter times 3 meters, then height, 15 meters. So then, we are done to convert into numbers. So what's the next step or next process? What operation did you use? Or operation na gamiton na to? Okay? Since we are done to convert into numbers, we multiply the 1/3 times 12 times 3 and times 15 is equals to volume of the pyramid is equals to 180 meter cube. Okay, there are result. Okay, did you get it? Did you get it? Okay. Next, another example, which is another figure, which is a cone. A cone is a solid figure with a circular base and a vertex that is not coplanar base. Its lateral faces is the set of all points of the cone, not okay. How to get the volume of a cone? Of course, radius, then height. So volume is equal to 1/3 pi radius squared, then height. So R is for radius, then H is for height. So radius, again, if katunga lang siya, radius, if kung whole siya, diameter ang tawag ana. Then height, the height of the cone. How to get another example. An example of the cone. So, if ang radius niya, since nakita niyo diri na siya nga radius is 9 meter, then the height is 24 meter. So, the formula of the volume of the cone is volume is equal to 1/3 pi radius squared, then height. So, first is, since ang first is nakuha ng formula, second step, which is convert into numbers. Pi, which is 3.14, dira, gisulat na. Then R is equivalent to 9 meters. Then copy the squared. Then H is for 24 meters. So next process or next steps, since na-convert na siya into numbers. So, unsay buhata next? Alright? So, since naaman siya squared, si 9, i-times na to by itself. So, 9 times 9 is equals to 81. So, copy 1/3. Copy also the 3.14. So, 9 change into 81 meters squared. Then, copy also the 24. So, what is the next steps? Our next process. Since nahanay na nato siya, na-arrange na nato siya, so, unsang operation itong gamiton? Right? So, gamiton na to si operation nga multiplication. So, i-multiply si 1/3 times 3.14 times 81 times 24 meter. So, the result is volume of the cone is equals to 2,034.72 meter cube. So, mauna siya ang answer, ang result ni, result or ang answer sa example ni volume of a cone. Example, which is a sphere. A sphere is a solid figure that with a set of all points in space at a given distance from a given point. So you can see lingin or pwede siya example sa bola or ang globe. Okay? Globe. Yeah, globo. So, how to get the volume of a sphere? So, the formula of the volume of the sphere is equals to 4/3 pi radius and cube. Okay? R is for radius. So, radius. Again, pag tunga lang siya, radius. Pag whole, which is kung whole siya, ginatawag nato siyang diameter. Diameter kung whole, half is radius. So, example. Okay, so, formula, volume is equals to 4/3 pi radius then cube. So, next is second step is to convert into numbers. So, copy the 4/3 or 4/3 pi, which is 3.14, then radius, as you can see here in the example, 13 centimeters. So, 13 centimeter, then copy the cube. Copy the cube. Ang cube is 3. 3. Cube 3, if kung squared is 2. 2 siya. Then next, sa next steps or next process. Since na-convert na siya into numbers, yan, naaman tayo nakitaan diri sa, ano niya, sa pag-convert na to, na may cube, or unsa ba na siya diya, or squared ba na, kailangan na to siya i-hanay. Kailangan to siya i-solve yapon siya. So, since cube man siya, it times by itself, ikatulo. So, 13 times 13, then times 13, okay, 13, okay, is equals to 2,197 centimeter cube. So, copy 4 over 3 or 4/3, 3.14, then 13 ma-change na into 2,197 centimeter cube. So, what is the next process since na hanay na po siya? Same lang po sa mga previous nga example na formula or the another example sa figure. So, same lang yapon ang process, which is ang gamitan ng operation is to multiply. Multiply sa 4 over 3 times 3.14 times 2,197. The result is the volume of the sphere is equals to 9,198.11 meter cube. Okay, dara ang result sa example sa volume of a sphere. Okay, let's try. Find the volume of a solid figure. So, okay, class, you can try to answer this one to find the volume of a solid figure, right? So, next.